We've just reached to the deepest place. It is here where InnerWeb patent application is named Method and Workflow Monitoring System. However, before I will tell you something more about it, let's go back to your requirements. It is you who require that the work culture of your plant look that way. We provide you with a tool that meets the highest health and safety standards. The solution is unique in a global scale, and we ensure you that the further development will allow you to be at the forefront of the best organized industrial plant in the world. InnerWeb has a built-in monitoring system that provides a constant pre-fire protection. The reason why the system is so named is the fact that the alarm appears to your employees even before the fire appears. Now be careful. The opening of an e-work permit for a particularly dangerous work with fire starts the monitoring of the workplace in the InnerWeb system. When in the workplace is only one employee, the status of work is fire watch. When at least 2 employees are in the workplace, the status of work is the permission for work with use of fire. Apart of the fact that this place was verified and approved by your qualified employee, the InnerWeb watches over this place as a guardian. When all employees leave this place, InnerWeb starts working. First, all employees are informed that they left and the workplace was left unattended. The information goes after a few seconds. If it does not help, the other employees nearby and your foreman are informed. As it's still no one comes back to the workplace, the information goes to the coordinator who looks after this workplace and to the managers. The system will cascade inform higher and higher position until a human appears in the workplace. It is the lack of proper supervision, the wrong prepared workplace, and the delayed burning is the most common causes of fire due to a human error. InnerWeb is therefore a pre-fire protection system in your plant. We are coming back to the top now, to the archives of work.